Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can call your favorite contacts on the Apple Watch 8. First, press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. From the watch face, press on the crown button again, and in here tap on the phone app. Then we go down and tap on favorites, and from your favorites tap on a contact that you want to call. And that's it. Now it will make the call. Once your contact answers the call, then you'll be able to talk to them. And that's it. So now we are now in a phone conversation. To end the call, you can just tap on the red button, and that will allow you to end the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.